In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the most of the Wix Studio Editor by using repeaters to create versatile, dynamic designs. Whether you're looking to display portfolios, testimonials, or product listings, repeaters are a powerful tool to ensure your site is dynamic and easy to update. Let's get started by opening your Wix Studio Editor. Look to the left side of your screen where you'll typically find the Add panel. This is your gateway to accessing a plethora of design elements within the Wix environment. Once you have the Add panel opened, navigate to the section called Layout Tools, which contains various options for structurally organizing your content. Within it, you'll see a handy feature called Repeaters. Selecting Repeaters is your next step. Now, you have a choice. You can choose from a variety of repeater templates that Wix offers, which are pre-designed for different use cases like galleries, contact lists, or testimonials. Alternatively, you can opt for a blank repeater if you prefer to start from scratch and tailor every little detail to your liking. Let's move on to designing a single item within your repeater. First, click on the repeater that you've just added to your page. You'll want to focus on designing this single item because it serves as the template for all other items within the repeater. Think about what elements you want in each item. Common choices include text fields, images, or buttons, depending on the purpose of your repeater. Begin by adding these elements to your single item, making sure each is thoughtfully placed and styled according to your design vision. As you arrange these elements, you'll want to consider how they interact with each other. Make sure your design is intuitive and visually appealing. Aligning and spacing are key here. Take advantage of Wix Studio's alignment guides and spacing tools to ensure everything looks polished. Remember, your layout decisions for this single item will be reflected in every instance within your repeater on the page. So it's worth spending some time tweaking your design until it's just right. And there you have it, a dynamic repeater that not only saves you time, but also ensures consistency across your website. Repeaters are a fantastic way to keep your content flexible and engaging while maintaining a cohesive look and feel. By mastering these steps, you've added a powerful tool to your Wix Studio skill set. If your page content ever needs updating, simply modify the elements within a single repeater item, and watch those changes seamlessly apply across all instances. I hope this guide has helped demystify repeaters for you. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your Wix website shine.